Stop listing just to list. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys 3 ways to source smarter and make more money without just listing for listing's sake. Listing more items will make you more money, but I'm going to show you how if you can increase your average sale price even just slightly and buy better items, you don't have to increase your active listings. You don't have to spend more time sourcing, more time listing, more time photographing, all of these things that are very time consuming. You can make more money simply by purchasing better items, and I'm going to share with you how to do that. So today's video is going to be based off of the golden formula for resellers. If you are new to my channel, this is a template that you can use so you can do all of these numbers yourself. It's linked down below for like $3 on my website. If you are a YouTube member, you get this sheet for free along with various other different benefits of becoming a member. It is essentially just telling you how much money you make is made up of how many items you sell, your sell-through rate, how many items you have for sale, and your average sale price. So one way that a lot of people tell you to make more money is going to be by increasing this active listing, right? I'm going to go from 2,000 to 3,000 and I will make more money. Absolutely, you'll make more money. But this is time consuming. This is capital intensive. You have to have money to buy 3,000 items. You have to have time to source 1,000 more items. You have to find time to photograph and list 1,000 more items. So one simple way you can do and not have to spend more time and necessarily more money is by increasing your average sale price. If you can go, let's say you go from $15 to $30, you double your average sale price, you're now making $9,000. You're making more money without more active listings, which is going to take less time. It's going to take a little bit more time in sourcing, but here's 3 ways that you can source smarter and not harder. Friends, the first way is going to be look at your data. Figure out what is working for you. Not a gut feeling, not what do I think is working. Actually, truly look at your data. If you have access to your data and you process it and you have access, look at your data that way. If you have the Sarah Style Sales and Trends dashboard, again, this is for sale. Links down below. It's a one-time fee. This is charts and graphs of your information so you can make strategic decisions about your business based off of your information. It is linked down below. If you're a YouTube member, again, you get a discount 50% off of this. You can come in here, focus on the categories that are making you the most money. Bags are making me an average sale price of $58. They are by far, or one of this skirt suit is like a St. John's, so definitely made it. But bags up here is a $49. This is minus that one off. This is the highest. That and jewelry, that was a consignment. That's, I know for me, that's personally not, I don't know anything about jewelry, so that's just a consignment item. But what categories, jackets and coats, bags, what categories are making me the most money? How can I use the information that I already have, the categories that I already have, and sell more bags because it's going to increase my average sale price? As far as brands go as well, what brands can I be paying more attention to and picking up? Hudson, Coach is up there, Theory, Michael Kors, Rebecca Taylor. Can I get more of those items to increase my average sale price? Your platforms, what platform provides the highest average sale price? Should you be listing on that platform first in hopes of getting the higher sale before you move it to a different platform if you cross post? Looking at some of your strategies. My Poshmark, mine is about $6 lower on Poshmark. What am I doing on Poshmark? Is that just the way that it is, or can I be encouraging higher average sale price items over there? Sourcing. Spend your time wisely. These are all the different places that I source or that I have tried. Which one is providing me that highest average sale price? How can I continue to source there to increase my average sale price? And then the second thing that you can do, if you don't have access to your own data, you can go into eBay Terapeak. I will link a video up here of how to look at it. You can do some research in there and figure out what's going to sell at high average sale prices. If you have a store subscription, they give you listing. I'll show you right now, but it goes all the way into the video as well. So we're going to come up here. You're going to go to sell. Am I on the right thing? Yeah. Okay. You're going to go to sell. It's going to be a little slow, friends. This is my active listings. We're going to go to research. It's going to give you specific recommendations based off of what you already sell. If you come over here, so here you can look at product research. Like I said, the video I'm going to link up above will walk you through how to use all of this, but I just quickly want to show you this Terapeak sourcing insight. It has your saved categories. So let's say you want to get into something new and you're kind of messing around with it. You can save some of those, but these are categories that I sell in, and it's saying, hey, these are great opportunities: coats and jackets and vests, outerwear, activewear. You know, it gives you a whole list. You can click on it and it goes even deeper. That's not the purpose of showing you how to use Terapeak. The video I linked up above will walk you step by step on how to use that. But making strategic decisions and buying items that are going to produce a higher average sale price. And going into this is the third strategy, is really be mindful with your time and have a plan when you are sourcing and self-control, right? So have an average sale price and say, hey, the golden formula for resellers said that I need to get my average sale price to $30. I am not buying anything unless it's going to give me that average sale price. I am going to go into, for me, I know a lot of that is bags. So I'm going to go to 7 different. Instead of going to one thrift store and looking at all of the different categories, I'm going to focus on bags. I'm going to go to the thrift store. I'm going to look at all the bags. I'm going to go to the next thrift store, look at all the bags. So instead of spending 2 hours looking at all the categories and getting a bunch of categories that are going to produce lower average sale price, I'm going to use that 2 hours to go to 3 different thrift stores and look at just the categories that are going to produce that higher average sale price. You don't have to list more items to make more money. You can do other things to make more money that are less time intensive and that are less capital intensive. If you like this video, YouTube also thinks you'd like this video, I will link a playlist down here of how to make money reselling, and then make sure to hit that subscribe button. You can join for more benefits to learn how to make money reselling on my YouTube channel.